Welcome to Uncovered Tech. Today we'll be uncovering Vijim VL120 RGB video light. I've got this from Amazon for about £36.95 for it's a portable LED light. Seen a lot of reviews on Amazon and there was a quite actually high rating on Amazon, and I wanted this for my photographies. Packaging of this LED looks very good. We got the plastic around the package, and yeah, here is this out of the plastic. Looks very built. The design on the box is very good as well. Let's open this box. Okay, it slides right out of the way. Yeah, let's open what we have in here. So here we go. Here we go. So we have the manual. We don't need the manual. It has the show mount, USB to Type-C charging cable. This LED light also comes with its own silicone diffuser, which is where a plus for this product as well, because it's great to soften the light. Directly comes from a great build as well, by the way. We have the silicone diffuser, which helps diffuse the light coming straight from the front of the video light, because the tiny LEDs are very harsh. And at the back we have the LCD screen, which shows you settings, battery level, brightness level and effect level as well. Has capacity of 3100 milliamp hours, and it takes about 2 hours to fully charge this LED light. And it mentioned on the page that it can last up to 2 hours when using on the highest brightness level setting, but we tested this and it took about 1.8 hours to fully die when we had the brightness level setting on the high. So it's very close and it's effective as well. It has 0 to 360 degrees of color from red to yellow hue, and its color temperature ranges from 3500 Kelvin to 9000 Kelvin, which is the warmest light to coolest light this LED light can provide. Charging is done with Type-C charging cable, which is provided in the light. The 1/4 screw hole is to plug in the closure mount. The charging button can also be used for switching into different kind of modes as well. We have the color temperature wheel, which we can use to adjust the temperature of the color or the light. We have also the brightness light. We can lower or increase the brightness. It also has 20 different lighting effects, ranging from green flash, RGB stroke to lightning and many more. We tested this light on this can of water because we had only that lying around in the area, but yeah, the results were pretty amazing, as you can see, and yeah, it was actually good. I would recommend this light for any photography enthusiast or videographer. So and with that, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll leave the product link in the description, and I'll see you in the next Uncovered Tech. Bye.